The best drone, Eachine E120 2.4G 4-channel 6-axis gyro optical flow localization flybarless scale RC helicopter RTF mode 2 left-hand throttle with 3 batteries. Hi, welcome my friend. Aileron-less design. The propeller is designed based on the aerodynamic principles to provide strong power and self-stability of the body. Simple 4-channel design, ultra-stable flight with 6-axis gyroscope. The height of the parameter is fixed. The optional flow is positioned and the flight is stable. System power indicator. Convenient and quick installation, effective protection of battery, longer service life, stunt actions on all axes, and pot brushing. Stable flight, especially suitable for beginners to fly. Low voltage alarm, stall protection. Runway protection, large and small rudder volume conversion, 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, and other functions. Equipped with a dedicated USB charger, fast and stable charging. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.